welcome back. My name is Hannah and this is my garden. Today we're going to do a quick video of me harvesting some items from my garden to make a Peruvian Aji sauce. Aji sauce is a green sauce that is so delicious. I use it for a dipping sauce with my meat, or you can even use it for salad dressing. So I'm just going to pick a few things from my garden, and then I'm going to show you how to make that Peruvian Aji green sauce. So first off, the recipe calls for half a head of iceberg lettuce. So these ones are pretty small, so I think if I just harvest one of these, it would equal half. So I think I'm just going to go in and take this one here. So yeah, that should be about half, and that should be pretty good. So there's that in here. Okay, and then we're gonna head over to the onions. Oops. We're gonna head over to the onions. I'm gonna pick some of my onions. The leaves have fallen over and they don't really grow after the leaves have fallen over, so I'm just going to go ahead and pick these. Let's see. We're going to head over to the greenhouse to pick some peppers. These green peppers. Okay, these are my garden salsas, so I'm just going to pick a couple of these. And these ones are ready. So the white stuff on my pepper plants is diatomaceous earth. I sprinkled that on there so that I wouldn't get an infestation of aphids and spider mites on these. So got these, and they just wash off, so, and they're food grade quality. So we're just all right. So I washed up some of my lettuce, the crisp head lettuce here, and I'm just gonna chop this since it still has the roots over there. We're gonna toss that out. Just gonna cut this so it'll fit into the food processor. Okay, and then we're gonna put 2 jalapenos. I'm just gonna cut the stem here. All right, we're gonna take this over to So in order to make the sauce, we're gonna put the crisp head lettuce into the food processor first. Okay, and then we're gonna need half of a lemon. All right, so I'm just gonna use my citrus juicer to get half of lemon juice. And we're just gonna add this in. And then 1 tablespoon of, this is Aji Amarillo. I use Goya brand. So we're gonna use 1 tablespoon of this in here. And then 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. And then 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. And then half of a white onion, all chopped up so it's easier to process. a quarter teaspoon of salt, and then the 2 jalapenos. These are non-spicy ones. I like it for the flavor because my husband can't really handle spicy. So we're just gonna do the non-spicy ones in here. And then 1 bunch of cilantro. So hopefully I can get that all but there. All right, so this is what it's going to look like on the inside. I missed this cilantro, but that's okay. And the flavor is best if you let it sit overnight. I don't know why, but I always make extra, and when I have it the next day, the sauce always tastes best. So that's how you make the aji green sauce. I will see you guys next time.